So yeah, uh, welcome to another breakdown slash whatever you want to call it. So today I'm gonna be breaking down gold, a quick trade that I took on gold. It's not a quick trade because I took the trade yesterday and it ended up hitting TP today. It almost took me out. So first things first, the before. This is the before. This is the trade before. So initially, what I saw was this fair value gap here on the 4-hour time frame, and then price tapped in London yesterday, London session yesterday, and then price gave me this M15 here. But let me just move to the charts so it's simpler that way. So initially, what we saw was that the 4-hour had a nice bearish fair value gap there. After all, we were expecting price to push back to this daily here. So we're expecting price to push back from that 4-hour to this daily. So we're catching a quick scalp. It's a scalp to me because it's a 1:2. That's not the type of trades that I usually hold. It's like a quick in and out because I was in this trade for like a day, and most of my trades I hold for like 2-3 days. So yeah, this trade I took because of this fair value gap over here. As you can see, price had this massive engulfing candlestick, and then price left this gap here. So when price tapped back into this, I realized that we have a lot of liquidity resting here. Let me hide this. Let me hide this. So when I saw that price tapped into this, I saw that we have this liquidity here and this liquidity here. So when price tapped into here, price gave this reaction, and after this reaction, price gave me an M15 entry confirmation here. So that's where I initially took the trade. Uh, as always, it wasn't a difficult setup. It's always the easiest setups that usually move. So yeah, trade triggered yesterday. It was a market execution, not a limit order, by the way. So the trade triggered around here. I took the trade around here because of this because of that fair value gap on the 15 minute. So price tapped me in yesterday on this fair value gap over here. As you can see, it's a clear fair value gap. One candle, two candle, three candle, and there's the gap. So price tapped in there, and I immediately took my trade with my stop loss at this high, targeting these lows over here, which were lows on 4-hour, I think week lows on the 4-hour. So I took the trade there, and yeah, it was a quick one is to not a quick because it was a trade that I held for over a day. It was a 1:2 risk reward ratio, and yeah, man, that's basically the setup. Very easy.